Okay, so we're looking at a pistol setup on HPA. So we've got the bottle, the regulator, the line and the valve. This is a Tokyo Marui Mk23, and this gun, very good, super out the box, yet when you HPA it, it's really powerful, very consistent, particularly in cold weather. So you're getting some great kills with this. It's a very simple setup and possibly the first loadout you might do for an HPA gun. Let's have a look at an SMG next. Okay, so now we're looking at your classic gas blowback SMG. This is the Apache. So here I've tapped a drum mag, so this is an ArmorWorks drum mag. It's exactly the same as tapping a pistol, and you've got the high cap SMG mag for the Apache behind it. Very simply, you just swap the valve out. Just swap one valve over to the other. Now obviously this is quite a lot slower than something like a Scorpion Evo that comes ready-made out of the box. So let's just have a look at the difference next. So now we're looking at a ASG Scorpion Evo HPA edition. So rather than having to buy all the internals and build your own gun straight out the box, this has got ASG goodness. So it's exactly the same setup with the bottle and a regulator and the line, only this time there's no valve and it just taps straight into the pistol grip and you're good to go. The only thing about this particular gun is the hop unit's really awful and quite a few people have problems with it. So I swapped mine out for a different aftermarket hop unit and haven't had any problems since. With this gun you can set how fast you want it to fire. It's got the equivalent of a MOSFET in it, and via the trigger you can program it to the rate of fire, what type of burst you want, 2-round burst, 3-round burst and so on, how quick you want the gun to refresh in between shots, and it's very clever, super piece of kit. So for nearly £500 out the box you're completely ready to go, and all you need to do is buy your HPA setup, your regulator, your bottle and your line. And you can also have 2 lines coming out of the regulator, and therefore you can run your pistol off it as well. Ooh. 3-round burst. There we go. Full auto. Just wind that drum mag. Oh, it's like an American gangster with a Tommy gun. Look at that. Oh, this is going to be so much fun.